Let's be honest, keeping a pool clean can feel like a second job, and buying a high-end robotic cleaner usually means spending a small fortune. But what if you could get pro-level performance without breaking the bank? Today we're looking at exactly that. I partnered up with the creators of the C1 robotic pool cleaner to put it to the test. We're going to see if this affordable powerhouse can truly handle everything from the floor all the way up to the water line. Let's go ahead and get started. Once I got this out of the box, it only took a few minutes to get everything fully set up. All I had to do was press the power button, which immediately puts the robot into setup mode. From there, it was as simple as opening the app, registering my account, hitting add new device, and selecting the C1 from the list. I connected it right to my home Wi-Fi, and just like that, it was ready to drop into the water and go to work. When it comes to actual cleaning, you get a ton of versatility with 7 distinct modes to choose from. There's full mode for a standard deep clean, turbo mode when you need maximum power, and eco mode to stretch out the battery life. You also get custom options where you can target the floor only, wall only, or waterline only, plus a targeted wall then floor routine. What's great is that switching between these is incredibly flexible. You can tap through the modes manually right on the machine using a physical button before you drop it in, or control everything directly through the app. On top of that, you can customize the actual cleaning paths inside the app, switching between an S pattern or M pattern, depending on how you want the robot to navigate your pool's layout. When it comes to pure cleaning power, this is easily one of the most capable robots that I've tested anywhere near this price range. It had absolutely no problem clearing out leaves, sand, or heavy debris from the bottom of my pool. The engineering team designed this with a wide suction port that's wrapped in rubber gaskets, which do a fantastic job of sealing against the pool surface and directing dirt straight into the intake. Even some higher-end vacuums that I've tried will occasionally drop or leave behind a bit of debris as they move, but the C1 left nothing behind. Now, one thing I did notice during my testing is that it would occasionally get hung up on the main drain at the bottom of the pool. However, it was able to back out of that situation every time and would always completely free itself in just a few minutes, which is a massive plus for a truly automated cleaner. It's also an absolute beast at climbing, working its way right up the pool walls to scrub away dirt. It's incredibly thorough at the waterline as well, locking onto the edge to clean off that stubborn grime and buildup right where the water meets the tile. One thing that really stood out to me during testing was the double filtration setup. On a lot of budget robots and even some more expensive ones, you'll see them spit those superfine particles like sand and algae right out the back end of the system into your water. The C1 completely avoids that by catching both large debris and tiny particles at the same time. The filter basket features a 180 micrometer primary filter screen that easily traps your large debris like leaves, stones, sticks, and hair. And then underneath that, it features a 35 ppi sponge filter designed specifically to catch fine dust, sand, and algae. Having those two layers working together does a fantastic job of cleaning up the pool floor while simultaneously clearing up the overall cloudiness of your water. The C1 packs a massive battery that gives you up to 180 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge in eco mode, which is more than enough time to handle standard-sized residential pools with juice to spare. When the cleaning cycle finishes, or if the battery starts running low, you don't have to go fishing for it in the middle of the deep end. It automatically drives itself over to the edge of the pool and parks right against the wall, so you can easily pull it out using the included hook. Once it's out of the water, charging is a breeze. With fast charging support, you're completely topped off and back up and running in just 2 hours. When you add everything up, the C1 is offering a premium tier of value that's incredibly rare to find. For less than $300, you're getting best-in-class suction power, a massive battery that delivers up to 180 minutes of cleaning time, dual-layer filtration that actually catches fine sand and algae, and 7 distinct cleaning modes you can control right from your smartphone. Usually, to get a cordless robot that reliably scrubs the waterline and doesn't leave dirt behind, you're looking at spending double this amount or more. This completely disrupted that market, giving you high-end performance without the high-end price tag. If you're ready to stop spending your Saturdays manually scrubbing tile and hacking away with a skimmer net, this is the upgrade your backyard needs. I've placed a link down in the description below so you can check out the latest deals and grab one of these for your own setup. Let me know down in the comments, are you still cleaning your pool the old-fashioned way, or are you ready to let a robot handle the dirty work? That about wraps it up for this one. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.